Class 5, Subject English course, book name The Midnight Oil. Today we are going to discuss lesson number 1. Lesson name The Thief and His Mother. Students, most of the time your parents and your teachers are stopping to you to do the things. Most of the time they are saying to you, better don't do like this, better don't do like that, you should like this way, you should like that way, don't go here, don't come here. Many things are there where your parents are stopping to you to do the things, and your teachers are also stopping to you to do the things. And sometimes you get irritated also, sure, that why your parents always saying like this way, don't do. Your teachers are also saying this way, don't do. They don't know we should do this, but still your teachers and parents always telling to you to don't do the things this way, that way, because they want you to make correct. That's why they always saying to you, they always stopping to you to do the bad things. So when we will read this chapter, I hope you will understand very well why they are saying to you no. Okay, so let's start. Robin was a very naughty boy. Very naughty, you know very well, who is very mischief, or we can say naughty. Also one more word we can use, that disobedient, who not obey parents or teachers, or do whatever the person wants to do, that things they are doing, that is naughty boy. Okay, the Robin was naughty boy. He had no brother or no sister. He was the only. His father had died when he was a baby. He was the only child. He was the only child of his mother, and he was not having any brother and any sister. And when he was a baby, his father had died. Okay, and badly spoiled by his mother, because his father had died. That's why his mother loved him a lot, and he was spoiled by his mother badly. Spoiled means spoil means beta. Most of the time children are demanding that, suppose they are saying, I want this dress, that maybe that dress is very expensive, your parents can't afford, but still the students or children are demanding, I want this dress, I want that shoes, I want these toys, I want that thing. Whatever your parents are able or not able, but still they fulfill your all wishes, all demands, and that is spoiling, that is spoiled. Okay, you don't think about them, they can give you, they can afford or not afford, but just you demand and your parents fulfill your all demands by hook and crook, that is spoiling. Clear to all? Okay, spoiled by his mother because his father had died. That's why whatever he demand from his mother, I want this or that, his mother always fulfilling his demands. He was he was the only child and badly spoiled by his mother. He was always getting into trouble, because sometimes his demands are good and sometimes his demands are not genuine. That's why he got into trouble. Trouble means into problem. None of his classmates like him. His classmate didn't like him because he was a very naughty boy and spoiled boy. That's why his classmates means class friends didn't like him. His mother often means many times, most of the time, his mother often received complaints from the principal about his behavior. Complaints, you know very well, from the principal about his behavior. Behavior means about his action, whatever he does, whatever he did good things, he did bad things, he spoke rudely with the classmate, whatever he did the bad things, his mother get complaints about him from principal. One day Robin went home with a slab of chocolate in his pocket. Slab means a piece of, or slab means a piece or a slice of chocolate in his pocket, which he had taken out of Wendy's lunchbox. Wendy is the name of child, and he was his classmate. Robin took that chocolate from Wendy's lunchbox without Wendy's permission and thought his mother saw him take it and